Welcome to the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast. I'm your host, Bruce. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone in the industrial maintenance world, field service management software. Specifically, we're exploring the top 9 must-have features that can transform how field service teams operate, boost efficiency, and cut costs. And joining me today is Alex, an expert in maintenance management and IoT. Alex, great to have you here.
Thanks for having me, Bruce. I'm excited to discuss these features because the right software can significantly improve field service operations. Let's dive in.
Absolutely. So, Alex, let's start with the first feature, GPS and Geo Fencing. How does this feature work in field service management?
GPS and Geo Fencing are vital for real-time location tracking of field technicians. With Geo Fencing, you create virtual boundaries around a job site. This allows you to track when a technician enters or exits a specific area, ensuring they're on time and at the correct location.
So it's not just about tracking, it's also about optimizing technician assignments and reducing delays?
Exactly. By tracking their location in real time, the software can assign tasks based on proximity, minimizing travel time. This leads to faster response times, especially in emergencies. Plus, instant alerts are triggered when technicians enter or exit the geo-fenced area, enabling proactive task management.
It's such a valuable feature. Moving on, how about real-time data and mobile access for technicians?
This is crucial. Field technicians need real-time access to job details, maintenance history, and even manuals while on site. Mobile access ensures they have all the information they need without having to go back to the office or call for support. This not only saves time, but also improves job accuracy.
I can see how that makes a big difference in terms of efficiency. What about remote diagnostics and troubleshooting?
Remote diagnostics is an incredibly powerful tool. It allows technicians to troubleshoot and diagnose equipment issues remotely. This reduces the need for on-site visits, saving time and costs. Technicians can connect with experts remotely if needed, ensuring issues are addressed quickly.
That's a real game changer for reducing downtime. Now let's talk about predictive maintenance. How does that fit into field service software?
Predictive maintenance uses IoT sensors to track equipment health in real time. By analyzing this data, the software can predict when a piece of equipment is likely to fail. This allows maintenance teams to intervene before the issue causes downtime, preventing costly repairs and improving equipment longevity.
I can see how that would save companies a lot of money. Moving on, what about customer self-service portals?
Customer self-service portals are a great feature. They empower customers to schedule maintenance, track service requests, and view their service history without having to contact your support team. This improves efficiency and gives customers a sense of control over the service process.
Imagine that would improve customer satisfaction as well. Let's talk about scheduling and dispatching optimization. How does that work in field service management?
Scheduling and dispatching optimization ensures that the right technician is sent to the right job based on factors like skill level, proximity, and availability. It eliminates manual errors and ensures that technicians are assigned efficiently, which leads to faster response times and better resource allocation.
That sounds like a big win for improving both customer service and operational efficiency. Now, what about inventory management?
IoT-powered inventory management systems are essential for field service operations. They allow you to track parts in real time, ensuring that technicians always have the necessary tools and parts for the job. This minimizes delays caused by missing inventory and improves operational flow.
Keeping inventory on track sounds like it could prevent a lot of headaches. And last but not least, how important is robust reporting and analytics?
Robust reporting and analytics are key for continuous improvement. By analyzing service data in real time, managers can gain insights into technician performance, job efficiency, and customer satisfaction. This data helps them make informed decisions to optimize operations and ensure the team is always performing at its best.
So, to sum it up, the top 9 features include GPS and geofencing, real-time data, remote diagnostics, predictive maintenance, self-service portals, scheduling and dispatch optimization, inventory management, and reporting and analytics. These features aren't just nice to have, they're essential for modernizing field service operations and improving efficiency. Alex, thank you so much for sharing your expertise today.
It's my pleasure, Bruce. These features are truly transforming field service management, and it's exciting to see how technology is driving the industry forward.
Thanks to all our listeners for tuning in. We hope today's podcast gave you valuable insights into the must-have features of field service management software. Be sure to check out Cryotos for more cutting-edge solutions that can help optimize your maintenance operation. That's all for today's episode of Cryotos Maintenance Management. We'll catch you next time.